What's up, traders? Two trades today, one on MRSN, one on MNKD. Let's get to it. We're going to start MRSN here. Got 93, 23, 93. We did only get an entry on, or a starter on this one, so we're not huge size. Plus the volume was a little bit lower as well, so there we go, back through 50. Just need that one little push down into the 30, see if we can get our fill. The 50 is right around 23, 24, so there's 39, 38. All right, we got our fill there at 36, so we'll take that little trade there. It looks pretty nice. We're gonna nibble at MNKD here. We're just going to take that off. I'm tired of looking at it, to be honest. Basically break even there. It's not the trade I thought it was going to be. All right, traders, that was my two trades. We're going to start here on MRSN. This was our first trade. This was the only trade today that I found that I actually kind of liked. We had some previous resistance here at 22.50, and we made a pretty nice move all the way up there to 24. Kind of felt it topping. We actually kind of got in after we felt the top here for a little bit. It did jump through 24, and it started to come back down through. We actually got our average, or our fill at 23.93. And it was actually after it had come down and tried to pop back up to 24 again, and that was when I realized that it wasn't really trying to get back through 24, and if it did, we just took that starter position anyway, so we would have been looking to add up through 24 anyways. We really like the chart here, and drew our little 50 line there using the fibs from the start of the move, and since we only got our single entry as it was coming down, we decided to take it off there. So it did go a little bit more, but we kind of felt that it was going to bottom out there a little bit. We got the move through 23.50. Did try to pop back up. It did use that $0.50 as resistance and moved a little bit lower. But since we only got that single entry, we decided to just take the full profits there. So moving over to MNKD. This one was kind of a forced trade. You don't really have like an established previous resistance here. It kind of grinded through there and then finally made a decent little move. The range on this wasn't that great either. So there was really, it was kind of hard to base where we were looking to take profits. I saw VWAP and the EMA kind of coming up, and it just felt like it kept trying to go through this 242 area, and it just didn't want to do it. So after like the third, I think it was the third or fourth attempt at really trying to push down through it, I just realized that it didn't want to, so we just took it off basically for a break-even trade because, like I said, the range on this was kind of crap, and we didn't really take big size. We only took 100 shares there, so... as you can see, we were right. This thing did try even one more time. It got down to 241, but then it eventually went up, and it would have stopped us out for a little bit of a top tick there, 1 cent over high of day. But as you can see, it came back down again, and it held that 241 area. So it does not seem to want to go below that area. And so, yeah, we pretty much got the most out of it that we were probably going to get out of it anyway. And, yeah, so that was our two trades. Keep looking for that Amazon gift card. It will be in a video this week. I'll give you a hint if you made it this far. It's not in this video. Probably going to do a Thursday or Friday this week, so keep a lookout. So probably, most likely. So it's definitely not going to be tomorrow. It's going to be Thursday or Friday. That's what I'm telling you. So keep an eye out then. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. If you have any questions or comments, find me in the Discord or leave it down below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.
Yeah.